अरे दीदी, कितना गंदा है ये, अच्छे से पोंछो ना। चुटकी, आपने कपड़े अच्छे से प्रेस नहीं करे, कितने क्रीज हो रहे हैं।
अरे क्या है मैम, आपकी इस्त्री खराब है, इसमें हमारी क्या गलती।
अरे मुझे नहीं पता, आप जल्दी ठीक करो।
अरे मैम आपकी इस्त्री टूटी हुई है।
अब मुझे नहीं पता, जल्दी ठीक करो।
अभी ना मैम सर।
ये कौन से कर्टन्स हैं?
मैडम कॉटन के पर्दे हैं।
मैंने कॉटन नहीं सिल्क बोला था।
मैडम सिल्क कहाँ बोला आपने, कॉटन ही तो बोला था, तभी मैं कॉटन लाई हूँ।
मुझे नहीं पता दीदी, आप जल्दी ठीक करो।
कैसे ठीक करूँ अभी, आपके आप बोल रहे
आप चेंज
गेस्ट आ
करो,
रहे हैं।
मेरे फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं अभी।
ऐसे लोग हैं तो।
अभी क्यों लाए हो? जब लोग आते तब लाते ना। जाओ अभी, जल्दी जाओ।
Hey Shania,
Hi.
how's it going?
It's going great. I'm so glad you could make it.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Thank you so much for coming.
So how are the preparations going?
Oh, it's going great.
That's great. By your face, it looks like something's off.
Oh no, I'm just stressed around with these people working.
Oh, do you need the help of my family? We're
No,
right
no,
here.
no, no, no. Please let them enjoy here.
अच्छा, भैया को बोलो थोड़ा music चलाएं. Let's set the mood a bit.
भैया, music चलाइए.
My family's going to be arriving in another 5 to 10 minutes.
I'm so excited to meet them. Hi, Arya. It's so nice to meet you. How's the new book you're reading?
It's going great, thank you so much. Shania, beta, it's so nice to see you.
Hello, Auntie. I'm so happy to meet you as well.
You have done such an amazing job on this party.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Means a lot. Please make yourself comfortable.
Now, girls, you must remember that I am right here if you need anything. Remember to take care of each other. And you must remember to socialize and talk to people. Make a good impression.
Yes, mom.
Madam, next.
Guys, you know, I have a new addition to my house.
What is it?
See this painting made by Van Lisa.
It's gorgeous.
I know.
Is Van Diesel new?
No.
I've never heard of him.
Now he's pretty old.
He's very old.
I've never heard of him. That's amazing. How much did it cost?
Oh, it's just $10 million.
Just?
Million? That must have been very expensive.
No, it was very, very, very cheap. Guys, let's dance.
That's a great idea.
वाह, अभी लगे की पार्टी इतनी अच्छी थी, है ना? मुझे तो पता ही नहीं, मुझे कौन होने था? रुको, मैं भी आ जा। खुद को कैसे भूल सकते हैं? You? What are you doing here? Yes, me? Yeah, you're the one who said those things about me, right? Those things you were Arham, I swear. Yeah, why don't I believe you? I swear you were Arham. Yeah, you act all arrogant. Why? Just because you're rich, you act rude. Why? You're rich. You know, you're so stupid. You're right. I do have expedition and you
Okay, guys, stop.
What about that?
Don't ruin my party. It's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Let's have musical chairs. चुटकी भैया chair set up करो.
Give him that way.
Calm down.
Take a breath. It's fine. भैया थोड़ी इस तरफ chair रखना please. थोड़ी इस तरफ रखना.
भैया अच्छे से म्यूजिक लगाइए म्यूजिकल चेयर्स के लिए.
सर जी, आपको मेरा पनीर टिक्का अच्छा लगा?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा था.
सर आपको पता है मैं टमाटर का भी टिक्का बनाती हूँ और गोभी का टिक्का, साग का टिक्का और भी टिक्का.
टमाटर का
हाँ सर. सर आप ना एक बार स्पेशली आइए, मैं आपके लिए बना के दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
सर जी, आपको आज चाय कैसी लगी? आपने बहुत ही
अरे
बढ़िया
बहुत बढ़िया थी।
अरे हमने बहुत आपके लिए स्पेशल बनाई थी, हमें लगा ही था आपको चाय पसंद है।
अच्छा ठंडी ठंडी।
तो भैया आप अपनी चाय कैसे बनाते हो?
जी हमारी मम्मी ने सिखाई थी गाँव में 2 साल की उम्र में, तब से चाय बना रहे हैं इतनी बड़ी बढ़िया।
Oh my God, these guys are the winners! Yay! Woohoo! It's time for dinner! चुटकी समझना दीदी इनके लिए डिनर सर्व करिए जल्दी से।
अरे उठा रहे हैं मेम साहब, आप पीना।
प्लेट सर्व करो जल्दी से जल्दी से।
थैंक यू मैडम। ये लीजिए प्लेट। This food smells delicious. I just hope my daughters remember their manners while eating. I wish I just had a quiet place to slip out and read my book.
Mama, these plates are so beautiful. Do you think I should ask them where they got them from?
Oh, absolutely.
I'm so happy my party is going so well.
So, nice. Dal makhani. Made my favorite. Let's go. The food smells nice. Yeah.
So, how's your book going? Do you like it?
Yeah, it's doing pretty good.
Really? What's the plot till now?
I mean, there's nothing much. I'm just still reading the intro.
Okay, good idea. Yeah. Do you think I should read it?
That's the
No, it's not really much of your style.
Oh my god, don't even get me started about Radhika. I hate her so much.
It looks so bad. She left Mosa Masi. She left us.
Yeah.
She knows that they're in their old age and they need help.
Of course she does. She has to show her perfect life on Instagram, doesn't she now?
That's what everybody does. Everybody just shows the best version of themselves on social media.
Yeah, just look at it.
Girls, I hope you are enjoying the party so far.
Yes.
All right, fine. Now you must remember, I have been telling you this all throughout the party and your life, that you must make a good impression, and high-end society parties like these are extremely beneficial.
Yes, mom.
Yes, Navya, don't you think the guests here invited are so nice? Well, I don't usually reach out to people like that. Plus, I haven't really met anyone here I want to talk to. Try talk to them now. You see the girls over there, Amreen and Adya? They're so nice. I think I like Amreen. You should try talk to Adya. I don't socialize as well. But see, she's not socializing with me. Why should I? So, who do you get to do the lights?
Oh, my lights? Broadway does my lights.
Broadway? Are they new?
No. They're like famous worldwide and everybody knows them.
Oh, I get Chabra Tent House to do my lights. They're the best. I see. How long do these Broadway people take to do the lights?
Oh, they took just 2 to 3 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks? Chabra Tent House. They do it within 2 days.
Hi, so what was your name again?
My name is Colin.
My name's Avleen. It's nice to meet you. So, where do you put up?
I put up in Noida. Hi, Auntie.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm absolutely fine.
So, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I earn money.
Earn money by what?
Oh, we're working.
I meant, what do you work for?
Oh, in my father's business, he pays me.
Oh, how much do you earn? Because I really like shopping.
Oh, just a couple of $1 million a month.
That's a good.
Everyone. You know the best thing that ever happened? AI. Without AI, we would all have to go to school or something. Study. Whatever they call it these days. I just stay at home.
Okay, beta. It's clear that you have no real experience. You should just go do whatever it is you kids do these days. What is it? Oh yes, play video games. Do you really think that AI is the best thing that happened to this world? That best thing that happened to us? Don't you think that with AI, my daughters are just having...
Mom.
Sit down! Let me speak! Such disrespect! When have I taught you to use that tone? Ever! You can do so much better at these parties. You can do so much better. Adya, take your nose out of your book for once. Auntie, we get it. We truly understand, Auntie. But it's time for ice cream now.
Yay.
Bhaiya,
दीदी आइसक्रीम लाइए जल्दी से। What's the problem with me? Why does she always have a problem with me?
I don't know. She's just being nosy. Forget about it and enjoy the party right now. So, what else do we have planned for the day?
Oh, just ice cream. And then I thought I would talk to you about something.
Ooh, what is it about?
Oh, it's about you. What's going on?
Who turned off the light?
Calm down, calm down. Let us switch on the flashlight. Calm down, calm down. Let me take a picture. Let me take through. Amreen, Colin, Iklavya, Arham. Everybody.
अरे पर आद्या मैम कहाँ है?
Adya? There is
Adya?
आद्या! Wait, Adya मैम.
There is Adya. Follow me.
Somebody help me! I'm lost. Somebody.
Adya.
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 Adya. Adya. Oh my God! Thank you so much for saving me. Thank you. Oh my God, I was stuck. Ah! What are you doing here? I just found you. Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why?
Adya, Adya, Adya. It's fine, it's fine. Let's just sit down. Sit down. This is why I tell you not to put your nose in your books again and again.
I got stuck. How is that my fault?
Well, you keep your nose in your books and you run away.
It's not my fault that I was trying to read peacefully and the lights went out. Mom, can you tell
At least you got his attention.
My God, Mom, can you
Why
chill?
do?
Yeah, man, if I relax, how did you know she went to read? I saw her slip out with a book, and that's the only quiet corner because I read there one time.
He's a reader, Adya.
Hush, Amreen. Chup kar.
You don't even want to listen to your elders. What's the point then?
दीदी, oh my God, आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. I didn't know you read. What's your favorite book? Pride and Prejudice. You know, like Pride and Prejudice. That's my favorite book. How did you know that?
Because he's a reader.
My God, he only likes it probably because one of his girlfriends or something recommended it.
Oh.
Doesn't seem cool, my God.
You should go talk to him. Come on.
No.
Come on, Adya. Grow up.
No way, Didi.
I really think you should talk to him once. He's not
You
a
don't
bad
even know him that much. You. Oh my God, he insulted me. Pride and Prejudice. What do you think it is? Yeah, it's an annotated version by English language experts. You know, you get to see that perspective in today's world and what Jane Austen wrote compared to what is today's. That's incredible. So, what's your favorite scene? The party. Yeah, it's my favorite. You know the way that you will notice his
Hey, Mom. I would listen to her. Bye. Nice to meet you.
हाँ जी मैडम.
अरे wait करके देखा सब एंड में कैसे फ्रेंड्स बन गए. इससे हम अमीर लोग इतने अच्छे